Okay. So let us start with intersection. So everybody knows that intersection is nothing but two or more roads when they're crossing or meeting at a single point. So that is defined as an intersection. In the intersection, so this will be the road. Okay, so in four, this is the intersection, two road meeting each other at a single point. In the intersection, each approach is defined or the referred as a term leg. So this is in a one leg, two leg, three leg and four leg, and this intersection is defined as a four leg intersection. At the same time, we can able to see the three leg intersection also. Here the leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. So this is defined as a three-legged intersection. So intersection is nothing but two or more roads meet or join at a single point, and each approach is referred as an leg. Basically, we might be having a three arm intersections or the three leg intersection, four leg intersections, the five leg also, depending upon the number of roads. So other than that, what are the components we can define in the sense the major road? So when the width is larger and the volume is more in these two roads, so that major road is defined with respect to the width, and this will be the maybe the major road. The width is might be the three lane or the four lane divided, and the small road which is joining at the point, that is defining as a minor road. Example, you assume that the Tiruchi highway is there towards the Tanjavur, and that Tiruchi Tanjavur highway is considering as a major road. Unavailable, the turning is there, right? The turning is, this is the road with respect to the small, with respect to the lesser volume, that is defining as a minor road. So these are the terminology we can define the intersection. To regulate the flow, we are providing the channelizations. So like with respect to the pavement or the traffic island, we were provided the some of the channelizations. So that is also the presenting component at that particular intersection. So this is with respect to the geometric characteristics we can define the intersection, and these are the basic basic functions which is happening on the intersection. Basically, the intersection is used to for the crossing purpose one direction to the another directions. Else, what it is happening, one road to it is diverting toward the another road. So that functions might be happening on the intersection. Third, what it is happening in the sense from the minor road to major road, you are merging. So the merging reactions might be happening. The fourth one will be merging and the diverging. Fourth, both functions when it is happening, that is defining as an waving function. So that is also happening in that particular junction. So this is the four different kind of that functions we can define: the crossing, diverging, merging, and the waving. And the most of the things, the functions, what it happen in the intersection is nothing but the crossing. The crossings maybe it lies between the 75-degree and 105-degree angle. Other reactions are happening. So this is the introductions about the intersection and how we are controlling these intersections to make the smooth flow as well as to avoid the accident. So three kind of the solutions we have on practice. One is the passive control, semi control, and the active control. Passive control, what it is happening in the sense we are not controlling anything. So automatically the crossings are happening. Sometimes we are providing the traffic sign and the marking. So this is coming under the passive control. Then the semi control, what it is happening in the sense we are providing the channelizations and the traffic rotaries, which is nothing but roundabout. So that is considering under the semi controlled facilities. Final one will be the active control, where we are completely controlling the intersections by providing the traffic signal and the gray separated. So these are the three controls we are providing on the field. And the first passive control we have covered in the previous classes, traffic signboard and the marking. In the today class we will try to cover remaining the component, nothing but the semi control and the active control. So basically, the intersection is more complicated because it is occupying the larger area where it leads to the high probability of the accident. So mainly, it has to give the uninterrupted flow of the traffic, but due to the changes on the directions, it leads to the various issues like the accident and the congestions are happening. So to avoid those things, we are providing the various level of the facilities, and the ultimate higher level facilities is nothing but the grade separated, where the same level is happening, but all the issues are we are rectifying. So that is the hierarchy we are providing from the active control to the passive control in the tree hierarchical level. So these are the some of the goal which we have to achieve at the intersections, and this basic requirements need to be incorporated the whatever facilities you want to provide. In the intersection, the conflict area should be reduced. The relative speed and the angle of approaching vehicle should be small. The proper